everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to expand this out. I'm going to use two methods to solve this, okay? The first is for Mr. Tan to remember the following. That I will have a minus b bracket square. I will actually have this important result that will help me. A square minus 2ab plus b square, which is the a, and this is my b. So when you see Mr. Tan using this, then you will have to see the x minus 3y square. My a is actually my x. My b will be 3y. That's how I'm going to apply this particular algebraic expansion result. So you will then see Mr. Tan writing x square minus 2 times x times 3y plus bracket 3y squared. This bracket is actually a best practice, okay? Although the result don't really write it down, okay? So this will be eventually equals to x squared minus 2 times x times 3y minus 2 times 3, negative 6 xy. 3y squared, 3 times 3, 9, y times y squared. That's method 1. Alright. So this is method 1 using the algebraic result. I'm going to share with everyone. Now, a second method that probably for those who cannot remember this result, this is what you can do, okay, in purple. So method 2, right? We'll see this as x minus 3y times x minus 3y. And all we have to do is to just make sure that we multiply correctly. X times x, x squared. X times negative 3y, negative 3xy. Negative 3y times x, negative 3xy. Negative 3y times negative 3y, positive 9y squared. And finally, do take note that negative 3xy and negative 3xy, they will give me negative 6xy. And then last but not least, so this will be my method 2. Both will give you the same answer, so not to worry too much. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.